Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And this is Britt. And if you guys know me, I love some long hair. And watch how I turn this beautiful head of hair into this sexy, beautiful balayage. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, this is Britt, and Britt needed a trim. She lives in Florida, and this is old footage, guys. So yes, we do have masks on, so if we could just not talk about all of that, but I just want to show you guys my technique today. So I just want to get rid of those old ends. I have not seen Britt in a long time. She moved to Florida. She is the inventor of the shark shovel. She has this shark tooth sifter, and it's really, really cool. So you guys should check her out. She has this beautiful little beach hut, and she does all these tours. I'm so proud of her because I've known her since she was in high school. Anyways, back to the hair. I am using Oligo Pro and Olaplex 40 volume. Love this stuff for painting smooth. It's one of my favorite. I do use a paddle. I am using my Framar brush. Now, I do like to feather it up, and I do like to stagger my patterns. I will use my fingers. And guys, yes, I don't have gloves on. Don't worry about me, though. I have a soaking wet towel next to me that I wipe my hands with all the time. So I know I don't like painting with gloves on. So pardon me. We'll all get over it. Okay, so I am working the hair, and as you can see, I am shoestringing it, and that is a technique called by Candy Shaw. Just want to throw that out there. I'm not stealing any jargon from anybody, but I am feathering it straight down, and as you notice, I use my board side to side, and I do that for a reason because I am not going to get a line if I go straight. If I go straight on the hair, I am going to get a huge line if I push too hard, and lines aren't pretty. So I'm always going to do it on an angle. So as you can see, I work my way from the top down. I hold the hair very tight. And if people help and kind of drag their head back, really defeats the purpose. So I always tell my clients, tight like a tiger, tight like a tiger. So as you can see, I shoestring the hair with my hands as I'm working down the hair. And I'll just collect it, and I want to correct anything as I go along. Once I get to the bottom, the last thing I want to do is correct something at the top. Again, see, you got to keep the hair tight. I bounced it. Now I'm going to recorrect myself, and I'm going to work towards the bottom of this piece. I'm going to go side to side on my board, smooth it down, regroup that hair, and push the lightener through the ends and lay it down. Now we're working to the front of the money piece. You can see that big angle I have going in the front, and I really, really like that because then those other pieces are going to shadow over the top, and this is when I was really big into my M for money piece. Sorry, now I got the board covering the whole way, but I'm just going to go in and just feather in those pieces. And we will color melt her, and well, I think we just toned her. I didn't get that footage at this time. This was when we were really cracking hard on the videos. We just got back from the Pandy, so this was not really we weren't really into the crack of things, as you can tell. So we were just getting back to work at this time. So just working on those front money pieces, leaving some depth behind those fronts, just to kind of keep the shadow, because dark hair makes light hair pop, guys. So we really just want to work that hair down and through and carry it back over the shoulder. Now I am carrying it into the side to give her those beautiful little pieces around her face. And after we rinse her, we're just going to pull all this out. We're going to stop oxidation with Malibu C Deox, and then we will tone her with Oligo Pro gloss, which is probably one of my favorite things to tone with, which is a quick gloss. And usually I do just hit people with their natural color around their hairline just to soften it a little bit. So I probably went in with a little 8N just around the face frame, just to shadow it in. Now you can see right here, I am going to, in a second, carve out her secondary money piece from her part on the other side in just a second here. I'm just feathering up this other side, guys, here. Hold on a second. And as you can see, I do use plastic wrap to incubate, and that's to keep the lightener wet because this is clay lightener and it does dry out. So as you can see right here, I am pointing my assistant, get over there and watch this. So here I am carving out this money piece on the other side because we do want that bold face frame around the face. Sorry, somebody's outside mowing their lawn, guys. So if you can hear that in the background, it's a beautiful day in Chicago today. And so I do have the windows open if you hear that in the background. Again, working on this paddle side to side, dropping it back away from her face. And then here in the back, we are going to leave a little bit of shadow, so I'm not going up too high in the back. Again, we're going to pull all this. We're going to process for 45 minutes. We're going to rinse, stop oxidation. I'm going to tone her with Oligo Calura Gloss, 8N around the face, probably like 10 AI, a little bit of 10V, some clear. Let that sit for 10. I'm going to give her Olaplex number 2. I curled her up. I love styling out with Olaplex number 7, just a couple of drops in my hand. I'm going to finger that through her hair to pull all those curls out that I put in with my Babyliss extra long wand. And guys, here it comes. Guys, if you find value in my content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the ding dong. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all the places. Guys, also, I am starting my own subscription where you're going to really learn in depth how I do everything. And so we are going to have an email generator really, really soon. It's coming, guys. So don't fret. I am here for you. Look how beautiful this hair is. Britt looks amazing. As you can see, as I shift how the tones change. It's all about lighting, guys. But look how beautiful that hair is. Guys, again, if you find value in my content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the ding dong. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.